excited kasi we're going to tour the 24SG concert again. This time, Isabela is our destination. It's definitely not my first time to go there, pero I still look forward to visiting the province. Ang ganda tignan ng nature, rice fields and greeneries. Super relaxing at laid back lang. Sana maging smooth ang travel namin. So Isabela, here we come! Nandito na kami sa NAIA Terminal 3. We have a flight papunta po ng Tuguegarao. From Tuguegarao, meron kaming 2-hour land travel going to Kawayan, Isabela. Doon po kami magkakaroon ng free concert kasama po sila Bamboo and Christian Bautista and John Santos. Today, meron po akong mga promo. Ayun, medyo marami-rami yata yung mga pupuntahan namin. The usual na routine namin. Ayun. Ako mag-travel na tinutulog ko lang yung mga mahahabang oras ng pagta-travel.
People in Isabela are expecting for her. Ayun pa lang, marami ng tao dyan. Talagang inaabangan ng gusto. Noon pa, hindi pa man nasabi na siya, ang marami re-request. Sana si Sarah G. I saw her when she first won the contest, singing contest. Kasi andun ako nun sa Charbel Village where she used to live. But I want, may great change, she's pretty. She has improved a lot and I like her voice. Magaling na kumanta si Sarah.
Kinakabahan
contract signing, picture with the staff ng Cebuana Luwilier.